I'm going to show how to change wiper blades on a Chevy Equinox. For this install, I bought Bosch Icon wiper blades from a local auto parts store. You will need a 24-inch for the driver's side and an 18-inch for the passenger side. Unbox by first sliding off the outer sleeve, then remove the perforated backing, which also presents instructions. These are the instructions I will be following. Finally, remove the blade from the protective sleeve. Set these blades aside while you remove the old blades. Begin by placing a piece of carpet or cardboard underneath the wiper arm to protect the windshield from possible damage. Raise the wiper to the up position and locate the latch at the wiper mount. Lift this latch using your finger or a flathead screwdriver in this manner. Then grasp the wiper blade and pull straight down towards the windshield to remove it from the arm. This will expose the hook-style end of the wiper arm. Here's another look at it from a different angle. Next, prepare the new wiper blades for mounting. These blades present a latch that differs from the original latch style. To open this, use your thumb and index finger to grasp the grip end. Then, lift into open position as seen here. On the inside, you will see the hook mount. And on the latch cover, you will see a window that will later receive the hook end of the arm. Here's how to install it. Lift the latch as previously shown. Then send the hook end of the wiper arm through the window of the latch cover. Here's another angle of what it should look like. Next, hook the end of the wiper blade into the hook mount. Push the blade up and away from the windshield until you hear the wiper blade snap into place. Snap the latch closed and gently return the wiper to the windshield. And finally, repeat this process using the 18-inch wiper on the passenger side.